You run a SaaS company. You are spending thousands on Google Ads. Your dashboard says you are getting hundreds of conversions, but your actual monthly recurring revenue is not growing. Why? Because Google Ads is optimizing for free trials, not paid subscriptions. Standard conversion tracking stops the moment someone clicks sign up. It has no idea if that user cancels after 14 days or if they upgrade to a $500 a month enterprise plan. If Google's AI doesn't know who your paying customers are, it will keep feeding you cheap, low quality leads. We need to bridge the gap between a free trial and a paid customer. Welcome back to MD Niamul, Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager expert. My name is MD Niamul. I am a conversion tracking specialist delivering precise web analytics solutions. I engineer data precision. Alhamdulillah, I have helped clients globally generate over 11 million US dollars in verifiable revenue across 1500 to 2000 successfully completed projects. To fix SaaS conversion tracking, we start at the first touch point. When a user clicks your Google ad and lands on your site, Google assigns them a unique click ID. Using Google Tag Manager and custom code, specifically JavaScript, I manage your data layers to capture this exact ID. When the user signs up for a free trial, we store this click ID alongside their email in your database or CRM. Weeks later, when that free trial user finally pulls out their credit card and upgrades to a paid tier inside your CRM, the magic happens. We use CRM offline conversion tracking. We send that exact revenue data paired with the original click ID straight back to Google Ads. To ensure this data is never blocked by ITP or ad blockers, we route it through server-side tracking for 99% accuracy. Now Google's algorithm knows exactly which ad brought in the paying subscriber. As a specialist, I automate this entire ecosystem. I implement multi-channel CAPI for Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat. I streamline these workflows using marketing automation tools like Zapier, N8N, and Make. I handle third-party checkout conversion tracking for Stripe and PayPal and ensure strict GDPR compliance using Google Consent Mode. Finally, I build automated advanced analytics using GA4, Google Looker Studio, and BigQuery SQL. So you can visualize your true customer acquisition cost and scale your SaaS globally. If you need this kind of work, then definitely contact me. If anyone needs help or any assistance while working on the topic, they can contact me directly on WhatsApp or visit the website and make a booking. That information will be mentioned in the description box and comment link below. Definitely follow the video topic why Google Ads fail for SaaS and how to fix conversion tracking. Thank you for watching and let's scale your performance.